Give me the junk later when my taste buds have numb.
Okay.
Where are we up to?
Elise,
Number 5.
Number
Good,
5.
honey.
No
Good,
jive.
go so good.
Steal it.
Steal.
Or you can steal.
Steal it.
You always
This
have
is not
mommy's
the
birdhouse.
birdhouse.
Elise.
Oh,
Rob. Rob.
Get whatever you want. Just get a gift.
Whatever one you
Just
like.
get a gift. Whatever looks good.
Oh, that's a
There
big
you
snowman.
go.
Open it up, let's check it out.
What's in the
Fast.
snowman?
Fast, let's
What's
go.
in the snowman?
Yeah, I'm a grandparent. I can get away with this.
I don't think that would stop someone.
Oh,
It wouldn't stop me. I'm next.
picture frame.
Someday. Oh, that's cute. Is that purple? What is it?
Picture
Oh,
frame.
nice.
You better open it. Make sure that's what's
Oh,
in
yeah.
there.
What is that?
Box.
Might just be a box.
The box.
Empty
It's one of those
box.
box.
Open it. It's been what it says itself.
You're getting a picture frame.
It's one of those
Picture
frames that
frame
you
thing.
can flip.
Picture frame.
Was that really what it is?
So far we've been pretty, I think it is.
Sounds like something wrong with what?
It's seriously taped up.
Can somebody just tell us if it's actually?
Does anybody know whose gift this is?
I know what it's from, but I can't say.
Your gift.
No, but who gave it?
Oh, I
If
think so.
I give it is what it is.
Is it?
I think it is. Well, then we don't need to open it. What is it? That's nice.
Picture frame.
It's a nice picture
It's
frame.
like a flipping frame thing. That's cute.
Okay, go on.
Why is it so famous?
Excuse me. I don't know. Any idea?
You say why is that so